Hello, I'm Mike Tessino with Emerson, and I'm sharing more tech tips to help you get the most value from your FB automation platform. Today, I will be demonstrating how you can save a lot of time with our new copy tag name feature in FBxConnect. This new shortcut means you no longer need to browse through the full list of tag names to find the right tag name to use. You can easily copy a tag name from a display and paste it into FBxNet, FBxDesigner, or one of the CSV files for configuring Modbus, history, or DNP3. To use this feature, you will need version 3.8 or greater of FieldTools. Copying the tag name works on any standard FBxConnect display, custom FBxView display, or any applications display. I will demonstrate this feature by going to a linear meter I've already set up on my FB3000 RTU. Then I will open up the Rates and Totals pop-up display. To use the feature, simply mouse over the field you wish to copy. In this case, I will choose the energy flow rate. Then I will right-click and press the Copy Tag Name button. Now that I've got the tag name copied, I can use it for other purposes. For example, I can go to FBxNet and paste this parameter into the FBxNet interface so it will be shared amongst the devices talking over FBxNet. Also, I could go to my Modbus map and paste this parameter in as well. So then, once I load the Modbus CSV map back into the device, my Modbus devices will be able to retrieve this new tag. The copy tag name feature complements the existing point picker, as copying and pasting by tag name can save time if the parameter is already used on an FBxConnect display. You no longer have to browse through the point picker to find the correct parameter. You can just copy that parameter's tag, which is already displayed for reuse. Thank you for your time. For more information, please visit emerson.com/flowcomputers.